This is Mon Health Talk, a weekly program focusing on the dedicated physicians, nurses, and staff at Mon Health, the region's premier community hospital system. People with skillful hands and bright minds using state-of-the-art technology. We don't just practice medicine, we care for people like family. That's why at Mon Health you can feel the difference. Once again, welcome to this edition of Mon Health Talk.
And it is Mon Health Talk for this holiday week, July 3rd. Thanks for being with us. I'm Kyle Wiggs, sitting in for Dave Wilson, who is out this week. And on Mon Health Talk Radio on this July 3rd, we are joined by Misha Tate, Director of Laboratory Service for the Mon Health Medical Center. And Misha, good morning. Thanks for coming on. We appreciate your time.
Good morning, Kyle. Thanks for having me on.
Let's learn a little bit more about you, where you're from, and what drew you to Mon Health.
Originally, I'm from over in Kaiser, West Virginia, and I came out here to go to West Virginia University through the medical technology program. And after I graduated from that program, I wanted to work for a community hospital, and Mon Health was perfect.
Okay. What's your background, and what are your specialties?
My background is in medical technology, and my specialty is actually microbiology. Became the lab director at Mon Health Medical Center about 3 years ago in the middle of COVID.
So you jumped right in when things were not so great.
I did.
Yeah,
it was a challenge, but it was well worth it.
Let's get a perspective on that. How things have changed in just this short period of time, and things are. Can you say they're back to normal?
Not really. Everything's different now, especially for the laboratory field. A lot more testing going on. Some things that we used to do pre-COVID that we can't do now, such as our large health fairs. We had some supply issues during COVID that made us not be able to do our large health fairs, which is why we went for direct access testing, so we could still give this to our community without having the large health fair events.
Okay, well, again, that's the main reason that you've joined us this morning, is to talk about the direct access labs. Just describe that. Tell us exactly what that is and how things have changed. As you say, this is one of the results, I guess, of the COVID situation.
Yes, so direct access labs are where a patient can just walk into one of our collection centers and fill out a paper saying which labs they would like. They don't even need a physician order. They can get those labs that day, pay for the labs, and then the results will come back to them. Okay,
so is it payment when services are due, or is that billed through your insurance? How does that work? Or I guess many cases are different, right?
Well, it will all be self-pay for direct access, so payment will be due at the time of service.
All right, very good. So what are we talking about? What type of tests are available for people to walk right in?
Well, there's a large comprehensive list of tests, but you can get a CMP, CBC, where you can test for your anemias and any blood cancers, TSH for thyroid, your A1C to test for your blood sugar levels, for diabetes, different vitamin levels, such as vitamin D, B12, folate. You can get blood typing, and there are some titers like MMR titer, varicella titer, and hepatitis B titer for people that are going to college or for sports.
Mm-hmm. And you say there's a comprehensive list available of exactly what people can get. I know it's impossible to list them all, but where can they find this list?
Yes, you can find that list on our website on monhealth.com/healthfair.
Okay, and the full-scale health fairs, are those completely a thing of the past, or do you see perhaps those working back in kind of slowly?
I think for right now they're a thing of the past. There still might be smaller events at some of the smaller hospitals. But for right now, we're focusing on the direct access testing.
Okay, yeah, very good. And again, is that because of the gathering of people together, or is that kind of a supply issue?
It's a little bit of both. It is better for us to have the supplies a little at a time rather than having hundreds of patients all at once.
Mm-hmm. And again, this service, you come up with this as a result of the pandemic. Why is this type of service so important, do you think?
This is very important because the results can be used to prepare for upcoming doctor's appointments or to have tests completed that are not covered under your insurance policy. You can also monitor lab values over time.
Mm-hmm. And, again, that blood work is extremely valuable for you personally, right, and for your physician. So how does that work in terms of getting that information to your physician?
Now, your physician would not have access to these labs. You would have to give the information to your physician.
Okay.
But it is very important to follow up with your provider after having the testing done.
Okay, so you have the testing done. How long? And again, this probably varies depending on the test. How long does it take for the results to get turned around?
Now, if you have the main test, it's within 24 hours. But if you have a send-out test like a MMR titer or a varicella titer, that might take a couple days.
Okay, and how do you get the results to pass them along to the physician?
Now, if you're at Mon Health Medical Center, the results are available in the patient portal. At Mon Health Preston and Mon Health Stonewall, the results can either be picked up by the patient or mailed based on what the patient requests on their requisition.
No, it's pretty quick. I mean, I've taken advantage of this a little bit, and you're going to know by probably the latest the next day or maybe a couple of days. It's very, very quick. It seems like.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, where can people go? Where are these facilities that the direct access lab testing is available?
Currently, you can go to Mon Health Medical Center outpatient lab in the main lobby Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, or the Mon Health Medical Park Building 2000 on the 4th floor. Also, Mon Health Preston Memorial Hospital and Mon Health Stonewall Jackson Memorial Hospital.
Okay, so those 4 sites. Now, the main lobby one, again, I've taken advantage of this, so kind of with experience, depending on the time you go, the lab there in the main lobby, it can be a little crowded. It can fill up pretty quick. So it might be a good idea to get familiar with that medical park facility. Is that something do you agree with that, A? And B, is it the exact same service that's provided?
Yes, I would definitely agree with that, and it is the same exact service that's provided at that building.
Mm-hmm. And I know you want to mitigate wait times, and that might be another reason why to check out that medical park. Sometimes you go in the main lobby and you walk right up and you get taken care of, but there can be some times where the traffic's pretty heavy in there, right?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. So, again, the main lobby there, 8 to 5, and the medical park building for that facility, is it the same hours?
Yes, it is. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
Okay. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. The main Mon Health, the main lobby there at the Mon Health building, or also the medical park building. You said 4th floor, right?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Do patients need a physician order to get these tests done?
No physician order is needed. The patient can just pick whichever test they would like and fill out that requisition. Okay,
very good. Quick and easy. We are with Misha Tate, Director of Laboratory Services for Mon Health Medical Center. And Misha, again, why don't you give out that website where people can find the complete list of tests that are available?
Yes, that website is monhealth.com/healthfair.
Okay, so monhealth.com/healthfair. We'll take a break. This is Mon Health Talk for this Monday morning, July 3rd. It's a holiday weekend, but we are with you on Mon Health Talk Radio. We'll take a quick break, and we'll continue the conversation coming up after this on WAJR.
Now back to Mon Health Talk, a discussion of the issues, people, and procedures in healthcare today. If you have a question for one of our healthcare guests, call now at 304-296-0041.
Mon Health Talk for this Monday morning. Thanks for joining us on WAJR. Our guest is Misha Tate, Director of Laboratory Service Mon Health Medical Center. And in that first segment, we kind of laid it all out for you, what's available with the direct access labs. And the outpatient lab is in the main lobby of the Mon Health building, and it's accessible Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Also, the Mon Health Medical Park building, 2000 on the 4th floor, same hours, Monday, 8 to 5. This service also available at Mon Health Preston Memorial, 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, in Mon Health Stonewall Jackson Memorial Hospital as well. As Misha rejoins us, and thanks for your time. We appreciate it, first of all.
Thank you for having me on.
Why is it so important for people to have this service available to them?
I think this service gives patients an option and allows them to take charge of their own health and wellness. They may catch changes in their lab values that may signal a future health problem or issue.
Mm-hmm. And again, more and more, people kind of they want this information. It used to be part of your file, right? Part of your chart. Now it's available. I mean, you can go get it and access it and kind of decipher it yourself.
Right, and definitely can lead your doctor in helping you out, keeping track of your labs.
Let's take one step back, and again, you talked about your background coming from Kaiser and the degree in microbiology. Why was it important for you to work at a community-type hospital like Mon Health? What drew you to Mon Health?
Well, I really wanted to know my patients, even if I wasn't out there on first line with them.
Misha Tate, Director of Laboratory Service, Mon Health Medical Center. Again, we were discussing there the direct access labs available through Mon Health. And again, Mon Health Medical Center outpatient lab in the main lobby of the hospital, and those hours Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Mon Health Medical Park building, 2000 on the 4th floor, Monday 8 to 5 as well. Mon Health Preston Memorial, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, and also Mon Health Stonewall Jackson Memorial Hospital as well. The services available during those hours. And you can learn more. Go to the website. You can get the complete list of services available, monhealth.com/health fair, for the entire list of the medical tests that are available. Thanks for listening. This is Mon Health Talk for July 3rd on WAJR.